Hey everybody, welcome back to the good, the bad, and the Bitcoin. I want to update you a little bit about how my little challenge is going that I'm doing currently. I'm trying to trade an account from $500 all the way up to 100,000 US dollars. Have been doing this now for about 2.5 weeks. Account currently sits at around 713 US dollars. So we are up roughly about 42%, 43%. So things are going well. The first kind of highlight that is inside already is 50% performance, because then when we have those 50% performance, which obviously is at $750, I can adjust my position size to a higher level and thus kind of gain a compound effect over time. Crypto markets are crashing this morning. As a matter of fact, I this morning opened a little long position in Bitcoin. So I just bought with really one-to-one leverage here, under one-to-one leverage, because we have more than $500. So for around $489, a long position in Bitcoin. I want to share my reasoning for this today because it's a little bit out of the scope of what I'm usually doing here when I'm trading this. But it's a trade I did already also 2 weeks ago, which worked very well. And this trade is basically based on what you see here, the so-called bull market support bands in Bitcoin, which is every time in a bull market, Bitcoin goes down to these bull market support bands here, it sooner or later will go to the upside also again. Yeah, there are, of course, also times we saw that, especially here, when it likes to overshoot. However, there is the chance of a bounce back. So what I want to do here is that I start buying now. As I said, I bought here at what was that, 89,776. If we go down a bit further, let's say like to 88,000, for example, I would continue to buy, invest the next 500, and so on and so forth, because I'm banking that sooner or later we should see a bounce back to, for example, 91, 92, 93,000 US dollars. This, so nothing really to do here with if I believe that the bull market still will continue or not. What we're currently seeing is a bit of panic on the markets, and this pattern here with the bull market support bands, bounce back from bull market support bands, has been a pattern for swing trades that has worked excellent for me in the last years. So this is what I'm trying to trade here. Normally, I trade like a totally different style here. I'm, of course, trying to scalp. I shared a little bit in the last video about this already. I will also share more on this, obviously, in the future. Again, so once we gain traction here, once there is a lot of interest, I'll make my trading system, as I promised, also available for you. However, at the moment, we are, of course, still in the very beginnings. It's a promising start, really. I mean, we're up 43%, but there's still a long way to go. Now, normally, I trade a position size of $2,500. So I use a leverage of 1 to 5. If I take my initial capital of $500, once we reach $750 in cash here, then I'm going to up this position size to probably 3.5 of even 4,000 US dollars. Probably 3,500 US dollars. And by that, if we continue to perform like this, we should slowly see a compounding effect, because obviously I need to up my position size a little bit. If I still just trade with the same position size, then our return on investment will go down over time. But yeah, it's still a way to go. We are not in the safe zone where we can say we succeeded. However, of course, a promising start. And thanks, guys, for all the interest that you have expressed also in this. So right now, my go-to strategy here for maybe today, maybe the next couple of days, is to kind of build a strategic long position for Bitcoin. Maybe around, if I have to buy some more, around 2.5 to 3,000 US dollars worth of Bitcoin, because I think sooner or later we'll see this bounce back here again to more sustainable levels, somewhere here in the region 91, 92, 93, maybe even 94,000 US dollars. And this can go rather fast, really. So let's see how things turn out there. I hope you guys are not too shocked about what has been happening here on the crypto markets today. Not only the crypto markets, stock markets also not looking very nice today. So stay safe out there. And yeah, next update is going to come soon. So make sure to subscribe, share, and like the video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.